Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have already discussed about the homolytic and heterolytic fission. Before going to take a discussion about carbocation and carbanion, we have to first consider the different types of hybridization that are involved in carbon. This is the most important or very important topic in organic chemistry. We have to first learn all about the hybridization of carbon atoms. So, we are going to start sp3 hybridization in carbon. We are only discussing the sp3 hybridization of carbon only. Okay. Carbon has atomic number 6. Hence, its electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. Two electrons are present in first shell and s orbital of the first shell. Two electrons are present in s orbital of the second shell and p orbital of the second shell. Okay, these two electrons are represented as with opposite spin, and these two electrons, according to Hund's rule, we write these two electrons as this. This is the ground state configuration. This is the ground state configuration of carbon atom. But according to the rule of extra stability, according to extra stability rule, this electron moves to the pz orbital, and a most stable electronic configuration of carbon is observed as 2s1 and 2p3. Okay. Hence, the actual valence of carbon is 4. Okay. In organic chemistry, we must know the valency of carbon, and actual valency of carbon is 4. Okay. Now, s orbitals are spherical in shape. S orbitals are spherical in shape. Here S orbital is present and it is spherical in shape, and it contains one electron. Okay, and p orbitals are dumbbell in shape. P orbitals are dumbbell in shape. So we are going to draw the p orbitals. These are three p orbitals. This one is px. Okay. This one may be considered as py or pz, and if this is considered as py, then it will be pz. And these three orbitals contain one electron. Now 1s and 3p orbital mixed together. 1s and 3p orbital mixed together to produce newly formed 4 orbitals, and these newly formed 4 orbitals are known as sp3 hybrid orbitals. sp3 hybrid orbitals. Okay, and they all contain one electron. Okay, now due to the combination of 1s and 3p, the newly formed 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals of equal energy will move at the same distance from each other. Okay, maximum distance or same distance from each other. The last, these three orbitals, one is pointing in that direction, one is pointing in this direction, one is pointing upward, and last one is behind these two orbitals. Okay, and the bond angle will be 109 degree 28 minute in case of sp3 hybridization of carbon, and these are all 4 orbitals contain one electron. Okay, now this sp3 hybrid carbon, if approaches the different hydrogen atom, hydrogen has electronic configuration here 1s1, it contains only one electron in s orbital. So the s orbital of 4 hydrogen atom overlaps with these 4 sp3 hybrid orbital and a methane molecule is formed. This is methane molecule. Okay. So what will be the structure of methane molecule here? Methane molecule will have the structure, okay, tetrahedral. It will form a tetrahedral structure. Here, consider here, okay. So what will be the structure of methane molecule? Yes, tetrahedral structure. Which structure? Which structure? Okay, tetrahedral structure. And the hybridization of central carbon atom is sp3, and the carbon hydrogen carbon hydrogen bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes. This is all about the sp3 hybridization present in carbon. Okay, again I revise it. Again I am going to revise it. Check it. sp3 hybridization in methane. sp3 hybridization of carbon atom. Hybridization of carbon. So what is the atomic number of carbon? 6. And its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. Here 2 electrons are present in first shell and 4 electrons are present in second shell. This is the ground state configuration. This is the ground state configuration of carbon atom. For the formation of more stable arrangement, this electron jumps to the 2p orbital, and the stable electronic configuration of carbon is 2s1 and 2p3. This all happens according to the rule of extra stability. And now this is the excited state configuration. This is the excited state configuration of carbon atom. Okay, these 4 orbitals, 1s and 1s orbital and 3p orbital, 1s orbital and 3p orbital, px, py and pz combine with each other and form newly generated 4 orbitals, that are 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, each containing 1 electron. S orbital is spherical in shape and p orbitals are, okay, what is the shape of p orbital? Dumbbell shape. Which shape? Dumbbell shape. This one is px, this one is py and this one is pz. These 3p dumbbell shaped orbitals and contain 1 electron. Also these s contain 1 electron. This one is s and these are 3p orbitals. These all 4 orbitals combine with each other and form new orbital. Hybridization is the concept of mixing and recasting the orbitals of maximum symmetry and minimum energy. Okay. Now for getting minimum energy, for getting stable arrangement, the newly formed 4 orbitals are in the form of 4 lobes, and these lobes are at the maximum distance from each other. One is pointing upward, other is pointing in this direction, one is pointing in this direction, and last one will be behind these 2 orbitals. Okay, all contain 1 electron. So if we join the corners, we get a tetrahedral arrangement. Now this is sp3 hybrid carbon atom. This is sp3 hybrid carbon atom. Okay, one electron is present in each orbital. Carbon has valency 4. If hydrogen which has atomic number 1 and configuration will be 1s. So only s orbital is present in hydrogen. These 4 hydrogen atom overlaps with these 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals and a structure is formed which is methane molecule and it has tetrahedral structure and hydrogen carbon hydrogen bond angle is 109 degree 28 minute. Now every time the bond angle is not 109 degree 28 minute due to different elements and due to different conditions the change in bond angle may be observed, which we will discuss in our further topics. Here for organic chemistry we are only discussing the hybridization of carbon, not of nitrogen or oxygen, only of carbon. This is the sp3 hybridization of carbon. In further lecture we will discuss the sp2 hybridization of carbon. Okay, this is the sp3 hybridization of carbon. In further lecture we will discuss about the sp2 and sp hybridization in case of carbon atom. Okay friends, it is all about sp3 hybridization. Okay, thank you.